If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a comparison video of my key pouch, the original key pouch in the damier ebene print, and this one is a dupe key pouch in monogram canvas. I'll tell you the difference between these two, okay? But for the meantime, you can use this in three different ways. You can put cards, cash, and small items like keys or lipstick. I'm gonna show you it pertains to size. Look at the size of this. They have the same size, okay? But this one is the real one and this is the fake one. Look at the difference. This one is square and this kind of like oval, and this one is made in France, okay? The zipper is almost similar to each other. They're very smooth when you close it like that, okay? All right, so this one, the closure of this is what you're gonna have to pull it up and it will open right like that. On the dupe one, it's the same thing. You can pull it up and you can easily open it like that. It has the Louis Vuitton logo as well too. I don't know if you can see that. It's the same as this one too. The texture of the canvas is the real one though. It looks like this one, we got this at the DH Gate. And this one is from the Louis Vuitton boutique here in Toronto. Okay, you can put cards, cash, and it doesn't smell. Compared to this one, smells like a rubber. And when you look at inside here, look at the texture, you can see this is not real. Okay. The mouth opening on this, the real one is thinner than the fake one. Look at that. Oh. Okay, so the retail for this one, I got it for $265, I believe, at that time. And now it's retail for $320 here in Canada. And this one, $20 for this one. Compared to that. Look at the canvas, it looks similar. The only difference is this smells so bad. It's like a rubber smell. And you can put a lot of cards in here, maybe like more than 10. It will, because it's a little bit thicker than the real one. This one, I use this to put cards. And I normally put this inside. I don't use a key because I don't want to tarnish this key holder. So I normally put it inside. And I use this all the time when I go grocery shopping. Just this one and the card and my driver's license and a key. And so they're good to go. This one, I gave this to my daughter. She likes to use this one. So I'm afraid it's gonna break. Oops. Oh, there you go. It closes. When I look at the handle of this, this one is shorter. The chain is more bigger compared to the real one. And the fake one looks like a lot of chains in here. Look at the difference. Yeah. If you're planning to get this is very handy, I will recommend you to get this one as part of your SLG or small leather good collection for Louis Vuitton. I was planning to get another one, which is the monogram canvas like this, but we'll see. It's always out of stock. Okay, the prices of Louis Vuitton doesn't go down. It won't go on sale. It goes up. So all of them are an investment. That's why I like collecting them. And my daughter can have this in the future. She's using this right now. So now, this is what it is. This is a comparison video of my monogram canvas key pouch and my damier ebene print key pouch. Okay.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification. So every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!